best-selling Amazon author, featured a lot of books with some leading experts from the world, like Brian Tracy, and he is also a growth expert and works with MSMEs very closely, not in India, but more than 56 countries. That's the kind of expertise he brings on board. Yes, Jen.
Thank you for inviting me here. Actually, I have been asked to speak on marketing per se, so I'll limit my discussion and points to the marketing for MSME, but more so for the micro and the small industry, because the business way they do micro and the small and the medium businesses is totally different. So I will limit to only more so micro and small business. This is like a unprecedented kind of a situation now we have. And it's like a reset button which has happened. It's going to be a reset button for the industry. Like we switch off the PC or mobile phone, this is kind of a reset button. And as per the Boston Consulting Group research report, it says that the COVID-19 thing will peak in India by June 2nd or 3rd week. And in the shortest term, what they are expecting, I hope they are wrong. It's difficult to say that Boston Consulting will go wrong. They have analyzed what US, Europe, all the markets, and for India they are saying that it will peak in June, which means I don't know whether we're going to come out of the lockdown by 4th May. It might be for some industries after 20th, maybe, but hope that that it plateaus in India. So going back on that, it's like a reset button, and I would take this as an opportunity to look at my business in a different way. Maybe I'll apply what Brian Tracy says, the zero-based thinking, and I'll start with a pen and paper, classic pen and paper thinking, what needs to be done. So because if I want to reduce my anxiety, then I will take a pen and paper and start writing down what is required to be thought, and a crystal clear thinking is what is required. Because if you just keep your thoughts in your mind, it's going to be confusion. So I would first take a pen and paper and start thinking and writing down what is required, and crystal thinking is what is required. One of the things which the way people do business in India is mostly they do it by word of mouth. They don't advertise the MSME segment, more of micro and small business. So what is happening is that is a passive way of generating business. So I'm talking about when we are going to be thinking about survival and maybe make some profits so that we can sustain through the time period, maybe 6 months down the line. We need to think and anticipate proactively. So when I say anticipate, we need to anticipate what is going to happen to other companies. We need to think about our competitors. We need to think about our customers also. So I would advise that you don't wait till the thing ends. You have to start now. That you'll pick up the phone and talk to the customers. So you will do both ways actually. So you go to talk to your maybe supply chain, the people who service you, and you go to talk to the people, the customers, and keep in touch, and also tell them that you're alive and taking. So if I had to advise the MSME segment in a marketing perspective, what should be done to be alive and sustain, I would go into my thinking hat, with anticipate what is going to happen, and create a marketing calendar. Maybe that okay, if it is going to start on 4th May, if it is going to open up, what I need to do. I will go back and maybe think about the way the world is going to pan out, and maybe learn a little bit of digital marketing, even if I didn't want to do it. Maybe learn this time you can do that. And what I would start doing is I'll stop maybe the way I'll do marketing for my business or get new customers or even service my old customers. So I'm going to actually give you two parallel thinking ways. Actually, parallel. One is that I'll stop trying to convince new people. Okay, stop going behind strangers and trying to convince them to do business with you. And the other parallel to that, I'm going to do a combination of joint venture and a referral system to have active referral system, word of mouth. So in the parallel, this thing, one is going to I'm not going to go and convince the strangers, but I'm going to use digital marketing to get found and get new leads. So I'm going to do that, and the joint venture and the referral mechanism, I'm going to do an active mechanism to get the customers, because without actually the paid marketing, which most of the micro and the small businesses don't do, the paid advertising, if you don't do, you're not going to reach your optimum max or potential what you can be. And this is going to actually actually crash down or reduce the time period in which you go to make the money. So I would take this opportunity to give 3 pointers to everybody. Is that be found, differentiate your business, start thinking right now, create a compelling message and in the marketing and advertisement, and start connecting with your customers right now with SMS, WhatsApp, video calls. Start making videos, what your this thing, read about how you can differentiate your business and go digital. I think one simple advice to all my micro and small business owners, start using my Google My Business to get listed. They are giving you business from the local areas, maybe 3 to 15 kilometers radius. So use that and use the the active mechanism of getting referral clients or the leads. And the process of sales, the way you are doing the business right now and post-COVID is going to be very, very different. So you need to think of acquiring the clients and also servicing them in a digital way. So start thinking on those terms and start planning on a piece of paper so that you sustain, anticipate, go to the zero-based thinking and think reverse. I think there can't be a better opportunity in this, that if you were going to start now with all your experience and a customer database already with you, which is the gold mine for you, you have the opportunity now that you go back, and if you were to start right now again, what would you do with your experience now, not when you started the business. So right now, go to the zero-based thinking, plan it out, make a reverse calendar and start contacting your customers right now. Do a survey with the clients, do a survey with your competitors, what they're doing, do a survey with your staff members. They will give you inputs, take them and start implementing right now. That's what I would advise my small and micro business. Thank you so much for coming.
Glad to be here.
BLL. So glad to be part of
BLL.